Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be discussing with you how to share a CapCut project in mobile. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you want to share CapCut projects in your mobile device, well, this one is going to be pretty easy, but there are a few things that you need to do here. Now, the first thing that you want to do is want to guarantee that CapCut is fully updated. So go and open up Google Play Store first and basically install the latest update first. Now, once you have that, the next thing that you want to do is you want to create what we call spaces. So at the bottom of your screen, you want to look for projects. Go and select that one. And at the very top here, you have local, spaces, media, and trash. Let's go and choose spaces. Now, in here, you want to go and click on the create a team space. And you want to go and just add or click on the create space option. Now, once you've done that, you want to go and just add the space name that you want. So I'm going to say this is going to be a test space. And click on create and invite members. Now, in this case, once you've created your space, you're now ready to start using the space functionality here. Now, by the way, in order for you to fully utilize or in order for you to create spaces or team spaces here, you may need to subscribe to CapCut's plan in order for you to access the full features that it actually enables. But if you just want to use your default space here that you have by default, well, you could also use that. So in this case, what you need to do is you want to go and start adding projects in that space. So you want to go and go to your projects, go to local, and you want to look for the project that you may want to add to your space. Click on the three-dotted option at the right side of that project, and you want to go and choose the option that says upload to space. Now, once you've done that, you want to go and select your space here. And once selected your space, you can go and click on the select option to basically update this or upload this into your space. And once you have this uploaded, the next thing that you want to do is you want to visit your space. Now, click on spaces, access your space, and you want to go and click on the plus button at the top right of the screen. Now, in here, you want to go and start inviting members. Now, typically, once you click on the plus button, it should allow you to start adding those members, their contact information, or their email address. And once you enter their email address and click on the invite, they just need to basically accept the invite. And once they accept the invite, once they go to the spaces section, in this section here, they'll be able to access your space that you've created. And from then on, they'll be able to start editing projects inside that space. And that's about it. So if you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.